In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira Kanban board in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to enhance your project management skills and streamline your team's workflow, then you're in the right place. Kanban boards are fantastic for visualizing tasks, managing workload, and tracking the progress of projects efficiently. So let's dive into it. First things first, let's head over to your Jira dashboard. This is typically where you land when you log in. You'll want to be on the Your Work section of Jira. This is essentially your starting point for setting up new projects or boards. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you've navigated to Your Work, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here if you aren't already. You'll find various options that help you organize and prioritize your tasks. Now look for the Projects section. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Jira organizes all your ongoing and previous projects. You might see a list of projects you are part of, each serving different purposes or team needs. After accessing your projects, you will see an option to Create Project. Click on this. This action sets the process in motion for establishing a new Kanban board. It's worth noting that Jira offers multiple types of project management templates, but today we're focusing on the Kanban board, which is particularly helpful for managing workflow in an iterative process. Once you've initiated the creation of a new project, you'll find yourself faced with various templates to choose from. You need to look for and click on the Software Development option. This selection aligns with projects that involve software development processes, making it ideal for the Kanban method we're focusing on today. Within the Software Development section, you should now see the option to create a Kanban board. Click on Kanban. Now, why Kanban? Well, a Kanban board visually displays your work and all its stages. It's an excellent choice for teams that complete ongoing work with a strong focus on continuous delivery. By selecting Kanban, you're opting for a system that helps in reducing cycle time and balancing demand against available capacity. Next, you'll want to click Use Template. This will apply the default settings and structure that Jira suggests for Kanban boards, but don't worry, you can customize things according to your project needs later on. The template is just a starting point to make your setup easier and quicker. So following the template stage, the next step is to select a team managed project. Team managed projects give teams autonomy. They can tailor the boards and projects to their specific workflows without affecting the overall Jira system settings for other users. This is exceptionally useful if your team has particular methods or tools they prefer. Now that you've selected your project type, it's time to give it a name. Typing the name of your project is straightforward, but it's also more significant than it might seem. The project name should be intuitive so everyone knows what it pertains to at a glance. Consider using clear and concise titles as they provide immediate understanding when managing multiple boards. With your project named, you'll then define the access level. You have three options here: private, limited, or open. Choosing the right access level is key for managing who can see and edit the project board. For private access, only specific people can view or modify the board, which could be useful for confidential projects. Limited allows a select group to access, while open grants visibility to everyone within your organization. Choose what fits the needs of your team best to ensure appropriate collaboration and data security. Once your access level is set, it's time to enter the project key. The key is a short-term identifier that appears in task IDs, helping you keep track of tasks relating specifically to this project. It's usually a short abbreviation of your project name. When you've filled out these details, look for the button that says Next and click on it. This will advance you to a summary screen where all your selections are outlined for review. Ensure everything looks accurate and reflects your intended setup. Finally, if everything checks out, go ahead and click Continue. This will finalize your Kanban board creation and you'll be directed to your new board. From here you can start adding tasks, organizing columns, and fine-tuning settings to match your team's workflow and preferences. And there you have it, you've just successfully created a Kanban board in Jira. Remember, the key to making the most out of your board is frequent updates and reviews, ensuring your process remains smooth and efficient. Thank you for following along and happy project managing.